What's up, lovelies? It's your girl AK here, and today we are going to be watercoloring some 613 hair into the color blue. We're going to be using a bottle of Royal Navy by Adore, and then the second bottle is going to be Indigo Blue, and then the second bottle is going to be Indigo Blue. The lengths I have is a 14-inch closure, middle part, 116 and 218 bundles. So let's see how this goes. Before I get started, why don't you click the link down below to subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell so you won't miss another video from me, and leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so what I have is my container that I got from the local dollar store. My 2 bottles of dye that I hope is enough. Bundles, as well as some tongs. All right, I'm just gonna get my water. Okay, so I'm going to start with Indigo Blue. Ooh, child. Don't want to squeeze all of it in. Ow. Ooh. Don't want to squeeze all of it in there. Okay, I'm gonna do some Indigo Blue, some Royal Navy. Oh my god, I'm excited. You don't even know. Okay. Let's do the paper test. You can see that color. And I don't know if I'm gonna go darker. Okay, let me do a strand test real quick. You can see that? Ooh, wow. Okay, that looks like a good blue. We're gonna start with this blue, this 18-inch bundle, I believe. Can I dump all of them in there like that? Do you think I can dump all? I mean, I've been watching videos, people are doing like one, but like, can I just do all once? Oh, shit, this shit looks lit. And it's like, of course, the longer you keep it in there, the darker it'll get, but wow, this already looks really good. This is nice. Boy, big up yourself, big up your status. I'm trying to wring it out. So this one's not coming out as dark as the other one. So I'm gonna add some more. bundle, the first bundle took really good. This one is a little bit lighter, but at the end I'm gonna put the rest of the dye in it and then put the hair in it to sit for a while. So the roots of this one are a little bit lighter, but the ends look similar. And then with this one, I'm gonna do both the 16-inch bundle and so this one I'm gonna do both the 16-inch bundle and the closure. This is so cool. I think I'm just gonna start watercoloring all my bundles now. I don't even need to do the whole brush bleach brush dye. I'm just gonna color on my bundles. This is good. This one's good. I mean, I don't mind the like two-tone and it looks really good. So what I'm going to do now is I think I have a little bit of dye left in both bottles. I'm just going to empty it out and then I'm going to put the bundles back in the water and let it sit. So here it goes. Here goes that one. So I'm gonna go back and put the second bundle in. I didn't get as much of the color like the rest. I'm gonna put that one in at the bottom and then I'm gonna put the other ones on top. So see, this is the second bundle. This is the second bundle that didn't get as much of this blue color, but it's not bad. I'm gonna let that sit and soak for a little bit. So this is the end result of the wig after it's been dip dyed, dried, and made into a wig. This side's a little bit lighter than this side, but I'll probably just go in with some more dye one of these days, and yep.
I'm a super bad bitch, and I only hang around with other bad chicks. Everywhere I go, I gotta take a damn pic. Turn around, look back, I get ratchet.